Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some ways you can take Dollar Tree's decals, peel and stick decals for different DIYs. We're going to start off with these beautiful vintage looking frames for the first DIY here that you can do. I really love these frames. They are 4x6 and I just love how vintage and beautiful they look. If you want, you can spray paint these as well to whatever color of your liking for these frames, but I love them how they are, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything. Now I do have one of Dollar Tree's wallpapers. These are their peel and stick wallpapers, but I'm not going to use it for that reason. I just want it as the background for these frames, so I'm using the glass to just cut out the size that I need. And I did pick up 4 frames for the 4 decals on this sheet. This sheet is super nice. I love these new decals that they have. It's for the bathroom. It has floss, flush, brush, and wash, and I just thought they would look so nice for a vintage style look for the bathroom, which these frames came out to be perfect. So I'm glad I found those. I'm just gonna put everything together. Those decals go on top of the background peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree, and then the glass right on top. Put everything together and this is how it looks. I think it's super stunning and I love it. Now I just have to do this 3 more times. I did pick up 4, but the 4th frame did crack on me, so I do have to go exchange that one to finish it off. But these are coming out really pretty and I love them. You have to let me know what you think. As you can see, they look super beautiful here in the bathroom. I have one near the sink on top of the toilet, and one you can stand up on the little back stand that comes on the frame. And I just love them. I think they came out super nice and they were super easy to put together. No skill required, and you get a nice beautiful frame that you can style anywhere around your home if you are using different decals. I also love that for this one that says brush, you can put it vertical or horizontal, and I do like it this horizontal way. I think it looks way better than vertical, but it's completely up to you, and I like that you have that option because you can just, mix and match them around your bathroom. The next decal from Dollar Tree that we're going to be using are these treetops, these woodish vibe decals. I really love this one, so I had to pick it up, and what came to my mind was to wrap it around a vase to place a candle inside, just so I can kind of mimic a night sky, being that the colors are darker, so it kind of looks like the trees at night. And I just love them, and I love the way that they are cut as well. It's nice and clean, and it just looks really nice once it's all put together. But I'm going to just cut it, and it does come with two panels of these trees, which is awesome. But I obviously don't need the whole thing, and I don't even need the 2 for this vase. I have my little helper here holding it in place just so I can start placing it down, and then I'm going to carefully wrap it around my vase because you want to make sure you're not overlapping on the edge of the glass, so that way it's not, going towards the bottom of the glass or anything like that. So you want to make sure you get it nice and straight, and do it nice and slowly and carefully, and rubbing it at the same time as you're placing it around, so that way you can ensure that you don't get any bubbles and stuff like that. So as you can see here, it came together really nice and I love it. I just love this simple way to amp up a Dollar Tree vase, and it looks absolutely beautiful. You can see I placed a candle inside of here, and once the candle is turned on, it just mimics that night sky that I love so much, and you would have to let me know what you think and if you would give this a try. You can definitely do this with many other decals that Dollar Tree has as well, but this is a super nice and easy way just to make something a little bit more enjoyable to look at and really nice. For all of my cooks out there, my home cooks, my professional cooks, you're going to want to look at this cutting board. This cutting board is absolutely gorgeous, made really well. This is made from sustainable hardwood. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. And when you hold it, it feels of good quality. This is Virginia Boy's Kitchen. And I absolutely fell in love with this cutting board once I opened it. If you're like me and you like the wood cutting boards rather than the plastic, because the plastic is not good for you at all, but the wood ones are way more durable and sturdy, and they just look absolutely beautiful, you're gonna want to check out the Virginia Boys Kitchen's cutting boards, because they are not playing around when they are making their cutting boards. They are absolutely gorgeous, and as you saw there, they do come with a little card to show you and tell you how to care for the board and make its life last way longer. If you are taking care of it, you do need to take care of your wood cutting board, so make sure you are doing that. The one that I have is the 17 by 11, and you can see it's going for $80. They do have a discount on their boards right now, but they do have different sizes, and they do have another color, which I'll show you in just a second. But this cutting board is absolutely beautiful, my friend, and I can't say anything more good about it other than I think you should check them out. If you do love cooking and you enjoy cooking, you cook always in your home or whatever the case may be, and you would like a nice cutting board, then you're gonna have to check them out. The link will be in my description box below, so don't forget to check out that when you are done watching my video, because I absolutely love it. And you guys know I don't recommend anything that I actually do not love, so go ahead and check them out once you are done. But moving along to the next decal DIY, I'm gonna take this cup that I had for a little while now. This is just a plain clear cup that I actually got from Walmart for $1, so it wasn't bad. I think it's time to give it a little upgrade. I fell in love with these gold butterfly decals from Dollar Tree, and I think they are super cute because I love that they are, you know, see-through and clear in between the butterfly, so it makes it look really nice and seamless wherever you place it down on. So that is a plus because it makes it look really nice and high-end and well put together. So I'm gonna just add different types of butterflies, the one that, you know, I like the most, to place on this cup. Now I will keep you updated on how this, you know, stays on the cup, because I'm not going to be obviously placing this in the dishwasher or anything like that. This is for hand wash use only. I would recommend, because obviously you don't want to mess up those decals and have them, you know, come off completely. But I do recommend you to just hand wash it gently and it should be fine. But you can see how beautiful they look on this clear cup, and obviously you can place it wherever else that you would like. Maybe if you have a tumbler or something like that, it would look beautiful. But I love it here on the clear one. I think it came out absolutely beautiful, and again, you'll have to let me know what you think, because I love to hear your thoughts, my friends. So don't be scared to comment down below on what you think of my DIYs or anything that I post and share with you, because I love to chat with you. And if you've made it this far into my video, then it is time for our secret word for today. For today is going to be mountains. So comment that down below and I will know that you made it to the very end of my video, which is truly and highly appreciated. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it for you. I really enjoyed doing this, showing you how to use their decals. So I do hope you give some of these a try, and I will see you all on my next video. Take care, God bless. I'll see you on the next one.